how, when and where. I am going to speak about Survey of India. Survey. Survey is a method of gathering information from a number of individuals known as a sample in order to learn something about the large population from which the sample is drawn. This is the logo of SOI called Survey of India. Survey of India is the national survey and mapping agency of the country under the Department of Science and Technology and is the oldest scientific department of the Government of India and was established in 1767. The Survey of India has played an invaluable role in the saga of India's nation building. The scientific and development initiatives of the department have played an indispensable pioneering role in understanding country's priorities in growth and development. History of survey. The practice of surveying also became common under the colonial administration. The British believed that a country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administered. By the early 19th century, detailed surveys were being carried out to map the entire country. In the villages, revenue surveys were conducted. The effort was to know the topography, the soil quality, the flora, the fauna, the local histories and the cropping pattern, all the facts seen as necessary to know about to administer a region. From the end of the 19th century, census operations were held every 10 years. This prepared detailed records of the number of people in all the provinces of India, noting information on caste, religions and occupation. There were many other surveys: botanical surveys, zoological surveys, archaeological surveys, anthropological surveys, forest surveys, etc. Different survey organization: Indian Institute of Surveying and Mapping, IISNM, Survey of Indian Service, Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, Botanical Survey of India, BSI, Cartography of India, Geological Survey of India, GSI, Linguistic Survey of India, Zoological Survey of India, ZSI, Forest Survey of India, FSI, Fisheries Service of India, FSI. There are many survey organizations in India. Thank you.